Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make an awesome intro for your YouTube videos completely free using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a personalized, eye-catching YouTube intro that helps your channel stand out. And the best part, you don't need any fancy experience or expensive software. So let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free in just a few seconds. Once you're in, click on Create a Design at the top right and select Video, then choose the video landscape format. This is the perfect size for YouTube, so your intro looks crisp and professional. Now that your blank canvas is ready, start by setting the background. Click outside the text box to select the background, then choose a color from the color picker at the top. Pick something that matches your channel's style. If your channel has a specific brand color, this is the time to use it for that cohesive look. Don't worry, you can always come back and change this later. Next, let's add your main text. Click Text on the left sidebar, add a heading, and type in your video title or simply tutorial if you want a general intro. Try out different fonts until you find one that looks clean but still matches your personality. Text clarity is important since viewers should instantly understand what your content is about. Now let's make the intro more dynamic. Go to Elements, search for a moving tutorial graphic, and choose an animated illustration that fits your theme. Maybe a mouse cursor, click animation, or some creative icons. Drag it onto the canvas, adjust the size, and position it next to your text. These little animations immediately make your intro feel more lively and engaging. Once that's in place, animate your text and graphics. Click on your text, hit animate, and explore the animation options. You can choose a fade in, slide, bounce, or anything that fits your style. Do the same with your graphic. These small movements help guide the viewer's eye and set the tone for your video. If it feels off at first, no worries. Just tweak the timing or preview it until everything flows smoothly. Now, let's add your logo for a more professional finish. Add a new page in your design to keep everything organized and give your intro a clean sequence. Upload your logo using the Uploads tab and place it on the new page. Add a simple animation so it appears with a little flair. You can even add shapes or subtle backgrounds behind the logo to make it stand out more. Adjust the timing so everything feels smooth and polished. Your intro is the first thing viewers see, so spending a bit of extra time here really pays off. Don't be afraid to experiment with different animations, layouts, or elements. Canva offers tons of free options to completely customize your introduction. And that's it. You now have a clean custom YouTube intro made entirely for free in Canva. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button. If you have any questions or want to share the intro you created, drop a comment below. I'd love to see your designs, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.